Welcome to Photography 101, a beginner's guide. Get ready to dive into the fascinating world of photography. Photography is the art of capturing moments and telling stories through images. In this tutorial, we'll cover the fundamentals to help you get started on your photography journey. Understanding your camera's settings is crucial for taking great photos. We'll explore aperture, shutter speed, ISO, and more, demystifying these technical terms along the way. Composition is the key to creating visually appealing images. Learn about the rule of thirds, leading lines, and other composition techniques that will take your photos to the next level. Understanding lighting and exposure is essential for capturing well-exposed and balanced photos. Discover how to work with natural light, use flash effectively, and achieve the perfect exposure. Choosing the right lens can greatly impact the outcome of your photos. We'll discuss different types of lenses and their uses, helping you make informed decisions when building your photography gear. As a beginner, there are certain tips and tricks that can accelerate your learning process. We'll share valuable insights and practical advice to help you capture stunning images right from the start. The key to improving your photography skills is practice and experimentation. We'll encourage you to go out and shoot, try new techniques, and embrace the creative process. Congratulations! You've completed Photography 101, a beginner's guide. Now it's time to grab your camera and start capturing unforgettable moments. Visit our website for more photography resources and inspiration.